Hi, I'm Jordan Elam, Director of Account Management here at Shippo, and today I'm excited to share some of the new capabilities we've just added to our Shippo Intelligence product, which provides real-time data on your costs, shipping trends, and carrier mix, arming you with the insights and the visibility you need to maximize the entire shipping process. With Shippo Intelligence, you can catch issues earlier and make real-time decisions without adding headcount or taking on operational risk. That's why we're introducing new capabilities designed to give shipping teams clearer, more proactive insight into their operations so they can catch issues earlier and make better decisions without adding manual work. With the latest Shippo Intelligence updates, teams can now filter performance by carrier, origin, and destination. That makes it easier to see exactly which routes, regions, or carriers are driving higher costs or slower delivery times, instead of guessing where problems are. New and improved reports give teams clear visibility into delayed shipments, surcharges, and adjustments. Instead of reacting to customer complaints or end-of-month surprises, teams can identify issues earlier and take action sooner. With new interactive maps, teams can analyze shipment volume, spend, and delivery performance by region. You can spot patterns and problem areas at a glance without exporting data or building manual reports. This release also adds AI-generated weekly insights, so you can receive a performance digest highlighting what's changed, what's driving results, and where to focus next, without digging through spreadsheets. It's like having a regular check-in on your shipping operation powered by Shippo's expertise. This launch is about making complex shipping operations easier to understand and manage, so teams can spend less time reacting and more time improving performance.